Hello friends, I am Sudipto and this is Coding Knowledge, and today I will show you how we can use while loop. So you can see already in the previous video that I have taught you about how we use for loop in a program. So now I will show you that how a loop means how a while loop we can use like a for loop. Means if we look out the structure of for loop, that there is a initialization portion, a conditional portion, and a incrementation or decrementation program function, incrementation or decrementation statement. So if now we want to do while loop in the place of for loop, so what we have to do? We have already see that while loop has the only option of giving the condition. So what we have to do, that when I is less than only 9, then the statement will work only. So what we have to do, that we have to initialize out of while loop, and we have to increment I in the loop. So we have already seen the structure of for loop, that it first initialize, then the condition, and then the incrementation or decrementation portion. So how it will run, that I is equal to 0, then it will check if while 0 is less than 9. Yes, 0 is less than 9, then a plus equal to b will perform, and then I plus plus, that means I will be 1 now, and then while loop will start. Is 1 less than 9? Yes, then the statement will work. Then I will be incremented by 1, so I will be now 2. Is 2 less than 9? Then yes, it is true. Then again the loop will work. So that's how when I equal to will 9, then the loop will break. So we can see the compilation, it is error 0, and you can see the result 100. So it works as like for loop, but in a different structure. For loop is a different structure and while loop is a different structure, but their working principle is same. By initialization and then looking after the conditional statement, and based on the conditional statement it will run the statement under the loop condition, under the loop, and then the conditional or initialization value will increased or decreased, or any other function will set the value of initialization, and then again based on the initialization condition it will work whatever we have written in the loop statement. Now we will look after what is do while loop. Do while loop is a different thing. In contrast to for and while loop. So what is different? We will use do while loop if only we want to do a minimum work at first, and after then we will check the condition, and based on this condition the work will be done again. So if here I say that if we want to use do while loop in the place of for and while loop, what we have to do? We have to do statement and then we have to do the statement for one time minimum, that do a plus equal to b, and then we have to work on while. If while is I less than 9, then the incrementation operator we will do here. So what it would like, that you can see here is a error. Oh, sorry, extremely sorry. It will work like that. It is the actual structure actually. I have already told you in the previous video. So now we can see that there is no error and the result is 100. So how it works, like do a plus equal to b means now a is equal to 20, that already a equal to 10 plus 10 it has been done. So 20, now I equal to first 0 and now I equal to 1, so 1 is less than 9, so again it will work. A equal to now 30 after 20 plus 10, now I equal to 2, then again it will perform the do statement, that now a equal to 40, now I equal to 3, so 3 is less than 9, so now again it will work. A is equal to 5, I equal to 4, now again it will work. A equal to, sorry, the previous one is a equal to 50, and now a equal to 60, now I equal to 5, then a equal to 70, now I equal to 6, then a equal to 80, now I equal to 7, then a equal to 90, and if I equal to 8, then a equal to 100, and when I equal to 9, it will break the loop and it will print a value in the place of result is %d, means result is 100. So that is the do while loop do. If we have to do the work at a minimum condition, minimum one time we have to do the work, and only if the while loop will, the while loop conditional statement will true, then only again the work will be done.